All right. I've been working on my 84 Corvette, of course. And what I did was I had a different steering wheel wrap on there. It was all black. And I got a little bored of that. I get bored of things. And I got this one for eBay. It wasn't much. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested. Uh, it's it's nice leather. It's nice, real soft leather. And the cheaper ones, they really have no backing to them. You know, there's no padded backing. So I made a foam backing from an old wrap I had, and I utilized part of it, and it's got the thickness to it. It's pretty good. You know, feels good, and it looks nice. And the other one was I liked it, but I had it on the car for about 5 years. I used the car a lot, and it was just starting to wear a little bit, starting to look a little dingy. So I found this one was pretty good. It's got the red stripe on the top. Not that I do any drifting or racing or anything, but it just makes it look newer looking. Looks pretty good. Looks all right. Yeah, a while ago I did, about 5 years ago now, or maybe 5, 6 years ago. I put all new leather seats in it. Did it myself. Learned about hog rings and reupholstering. And it came out pretty good. That came out pretty good. I don't know how this is showing up on this. I don't know if the light's washing it out or not. But the steering wheel wrap came out pretty good. The trick is when you do the wraps, I got to really start making how-to videos like while I'm doing it. I try to explain it the best I can. Um, Even with the best of the wraps that you put on, you got to sew on. I sewed. I took my time. It took me like 2 hours to sew this thing all up, you know. But the thing is, the ends you do separate. I do. I've done these a few times. And my friend's car I've done one on, and they come out pretty good. The key is, see, this is showing up. See this red lacing here. Go back and forth like 2, 3 times on all the corners, and then you start doing around. It'll come out nice. Learn from experience. And also, when you're doing a wrap, put double-sided tape, especially on the top part, because it'll twist. It'll go like that, no matter what. Eventually, it'll start. Mine's solid because I put double-face tape, very thin double face. It's carpet tape that I use, and I just cut it in strips. It came out pretty good. It works, and it doesn't slide around. There's no movement because what good is it if it moves and it's annoying. So it's got to look good and it's got to function right. Then my old one, I had a brainstorm that I got a piece of leather, red leather. It was starting to wear out, and this was the top, and it was just starting to get dingy. So what I did was, if you guys want to do a steering wheel wrap, and you don't want to pay $100, $50, whatever, for one with a stripe, or it's very easy to make yourself. I was just playing around with this. It's an old one. I don't even know if I would ever put it on the wheel, but I was just playing. I just want to see if I can do it because I kind of like the look of it with the red stripe on the top, and it's pretty easy to do. But you gotta be brave and cut it, and on the back you just match up your pieces. You can stitch it by hand. Just meet them. Just bring them together like that, and you just stitch away. I have a sewing machine, so I just ran it back and forth on the sewing machine, and it'll look pretty good. I noticed it'll look pretty good if I put it on the vehicle. Maybe I'll put it on my Durango. Once it's all tightened up and everything, it'll look pretty good. I know it'll look good. I can't do it with one hand. This has got to stretch, and if it stretches, it goes to about a little bit more than a half inch. It looks pretty good. It looks all right. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. Just want to make a short video on my steering wheel wrap. All right. Thanks for watching.